this is amazing. We are working on the future, like this seminar was on space. So building rockets, building satellites, and sending humanity out of the Earth. And here we are just getting back to the past and see how deep we are linked to this Earth. And Meghalaya is maybe the beginning of all that story. So fantastic and a great experience. Thank you, Meghalaya.
It is a privilege to be here in Meghalaya. I had interesting and very inspiring discussion with Chief Minister Sangma as well yesterday, and got an insight into his vision for the state, especially in the context of what he is doing to upgrade products, especially agricultural products that are available in the state to be able to be marketed internationally into the field of tourism, and of course all the work he is doing on ecology and also on climate change. So in that context we also discussed possibilities of cooperation between Sri Lanka and Meghalaya as well. I invited the Chief Minister to visit Sri Lanka at his convenience, and we specifically spoke of possibilities of collaboration in tourism and also in spices, because you are doing a lot of work in branding turmeric, for example, pepper, and therefore I think we can exchange information and knowledge in this regard. Our conference on the space economy is as part of Sri Lanka participated at the invitation of India as chair of G20. Sri Lanka is not a member of the G20, but this was part of Prime Minister Modi's vision to encourage and invite countries from the global south especially to engage the G20, and especially to benefit from the opportunities that are available from the space economy. So we were able to get an insight into the work that India was doing in the context of the space economy. Especially Chairman Sohra outlined very well the vision that India has for the space economy, and how also India intends to help regional countries in this context. So I think all in all this was a very, very interesting and illuminating conference, as well as a visit to Meghalaya, and I wish everybody well. Thank you.
the ambassador of Korea to India. I was really pleased to join the space economy leaders meeting precursor event in Meghalaya. Especially Shillong is really a beautiful and pleasant place. This was my second time for me to visit Shillong. The last year I had the pleasure to be invited by the Chief Minister, Dr. Sangam, and then we discussed about some joint projects between Korea and Meghalaya. And this time, the tourism department of Meghalaya did a very good work, and then we had a great time here in various places, the falls, and then some village people, and also we had the planting trees to commemorate our presence here. And yesterday, from yesterday to until now, we enjoyed really good food from Meghalaya people. I appreciate the cuisine of the Meghalaya. And also, as you can hear, the music. The Meghalaya people love music. So I like this, the Meghalaya grassroots music project. I think everyone in Meghalaya can sing a song or can play a musical instrument. That's a good thing for the cultural achievement, and I hope it will continue to the happiness and prosperity of the Meghalaya people. Thank you.
I have enjoyed very much the place and the beauty of what we have seen. The people have been wonderful. Yesterday night also we had a cultural program which for me was quite outstanding because it was very different from everything else I had seen in other parts of India. And it was just very unique and very authentic. A lot of it coming from the local tribes of Meghalaya. So it was a very, very wonderful thing. So I'm very happy to be here. I am Federico Salas. I'm the ambassador of Mexico. Thank you.
It has been 2 great days here in Shillong. We have really discovered so much about the city and the culture. And also we had a very constructive meeting yesterday. So much information that we are going to take back to home, and really discussions from people who are experts in space and space economy. There are many things that I think our country would really be interested in taking over and discussing it within the government. But also there is also very fruitful discussions that we are expecting to be taking over in July when the convention is happening in Bangalore. I think it has been beneficial 2 days. So much we learn about Shillong. There has been great hospitality, and we have experienced the very nice cuisine of northeast of India, and really we have made some good friendship with the people here.